Top 7 Must Know Adjectives in Japanese. Easy or comfortable. 楽な For example, easy job. 楽な仕事。楽な means easy. 仕事 means job. 楽な仕事。楽な仕事。For example 2, comfortable posture. 楽な姿勢。楽な means comfortable. 姿勢 means posture. 楽な姿勢。楽な姿勢。favorite 好きな。好きな。For example, favorite color 好きな色。好きな means favorite. 色 means color. 好きな色。好きな色。important 大切な。大切な。For example, important photo 大切な写真。大切な means important. 写真 means photo. 大切な写真。大切な写真。extra or unnecessary 余計な。余計な。For example, please do not add extra seasonings. 余計な調味料を入れないでください。余計な means extra. 調味料 means seasonings. 入れないで means do not add. ください means please. 余計な調味料を入れないでください。余計な調味料を入れないでください。obvious 明らかな。明らかな。For example, obvious lie 明らかな嘘。明らかな means obvious. 嘘 means lie. 明らかな嘘。明らかな嘘。strange or unusual 変な。変な。For example, strange taste 変な味。変な means strange. 味 means taste. 変な味。変な味。elegant or sophisticated 上品な。上品な。For example, elegant person 上品な人。上品な means elegant. 人 means person. 上品な人。上品な人。Great! Review Top 7 Must Know Adjectives in Japanese. Easy, comfortable, 楽な。楽な。楽な。favorite 好きな。好きな。好きな。important 大切な。大切な。大切な。extra or unnecessary 余計な。余計な。余計な。obvious 明らかな。明らかな。明らかな。strange unusual 変な elegant or sophisticated 上品な Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means easy in Japanese? A. 好きな B. 楽な C. 余計なThe answer is B. 楽な Number 2. Which one means obvious in Japanese? A. 大切な B. 余計な C. 明らかなThe answer is C. 明らかな Number 3. Which one means strange in Japanese? A. 上品な B. 変な C. 余計なThe answer is B. 変な Great! Today we've learned top 7 adjectives in Japanese. Fantastic progress. Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったらグッドボタン、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。See you next video. またね